Hey guys, I'm Ray. So about 2 weeks ago, we made this little lizard and I thought he was kind of cute, but I struggled quite a bit with him. I've been thinking a lot lately about how to do this a little bit better. So today, I think we're going to try to make a horse. So once again, we are going to start by upsetting that center area to give ourselves a little bit more material to work with. Now I feel like I have a better idea of how to go about this in a more organized way. But I haven't added any new tools into the mix, so we're still going to struggle a bit. I feel like that's a pretty good base, so we're going to separate the head and tail from the legs. Let's shape the tail. We've drawn it out a little bit more than I'd like to, so I think we're going to cut it off to give it more of a bushy tail look. Let's turn it around and start working on the head and neck. We're trying to kind of give ourselves a neck. We're going to leave the head for a moment and start working on the legs. We'll need to cut them apart and shape them. I want them to look like the horse is running. I can kind of move that one like so. And then I can kind of move this one further back, right? Out, back up a little bit, and this leg needs to come up this way as well. Okay, well, I feel like I did a little bit better job organizing my thoughts on this piece, making it and shaping it where I wanted the pieces to go. I don't think I left myself quite enough material in certain areas and too much material in other areas. I was a little bit scared to put in some more of the fine details. It ends up looking more like a silhouette, just means I need to make a lot more animals.